while now. I remember the first time we met over at DARPA. Now, when I saw your resume, it was amazing. I mean, I had someone who's graduated Naval Academy, the wrong academy, but still we gotta give you credit for that. And it was a Marine, Fulbright scholar, does Masters of Math at Oxford, and also has a neuroscience degree. And when you look at needing someone with the background, or what is the perfect background for AI, you need someone that understands the computational structures involved in developing AI systems and understanding how the brain works and what intelligence means. And I think it was amazing. And you've done so much in the last 10 years too. When you look at everything you've been through, you've spent the last 10 years just building also some great AI systems for the government that give you experience not only in what it means to define an AI system, but what it means to deploy and field it. So it's been really great, working and seeing your development over that course of time.
That was an exciting time for me too, Trump. When I look back on that opportunity, being at one of the most advanced research organizations in the Department of Defense, and then having the opportunity to work with you, with your 17 years in Silicon Valley, all that product experience, an MBA from Wharton, I had a huge opportunity to start to learn how to transition all of that academic knowledge into the ability to actually build a product that really started to change the way we viewed human performance, and also viewed how we applied AI to help people perform better.
And I think that's the key thing. I think that's where you and I have kind of the same ideas and kind of same direction. We see AI as a tool to help humanity become better, not as a tool to replace humanity. And when you look at the type of pressures to knowledge workers are in, when you look at cyber operators, medical professionals, financial analysts, they're in constant stress because they can't make a mistake. They have to be ready all the time in case something happens.
I mean, when you look at it, the kind of people who tend to face this the worst are your highest performers, because they're the ones who get leaned on, when the company needs to move things forward. With 60% of workers right now saying they would like their company to help them actually deal with some of these mental problems, the question is, how do companies respond? What are the tools that they have where they can actually take these high-performing, high-stress jobs and give their high performers the kinds of things they need to allow them to, one, deal with the stress, and then two, to continue to perform these really, really difficult situations.
How does the company even know they need help? Especially when you talk about remote work these days and people not actually seeing each other every day and actually seeing how they feel, how they work. How does the company even know that they have a problem before everyone leaves and goes out the door? And so I think that's something I think we can address with AI, is kind of build a product that helps both the company and the employee. From a company standpoint, it helps the company actually keep the pulse of the worker. Really understand on a real-time basis, not yearly surveys or kind of guessing at how people feel, but on a real-time basis, understand how their entire organization is working, how they're feeling, where they're motivated, where they're stressed, where they're feeling anxious, and actually being able to do something about it. Because 80% of people in America rely on their employer to provide them with benefits, right?
I mean, this is the way we change the world, right? We take a look at what's going on with employees, we help them close that gap and tie information about themselves to ways to dealing with stress and burnout and other components. And when we have that information and employees are interested in making changes in that space, we can also help companies, because we understand what's going wrong across their workforce and can provide them with broader information on how they should change the way they operate in order to make life better for their employees.
And the employees want to enjoy their job. They want to do well, and I think that's what Amplio can provide.